Has your personal information been caught in the crosshairs of an Experian data breach? Let's turn that potential disaster into a proactive plan. First, access your Experian credit report immediately. Experian typically offers free credit monitoring after a breach. Enroll if you haven't already scrutinized the report for any unfamiliar accounts, addresses, or inquiries. This is your first line of defense against identity theft. Next, fortify your online security. Change passwords for all your online accounts, especially financial ones. Using strong, unique combinations, consider using a password manager to help keep track of them. Activate fraud alerts on your Experian and other credit reports. This prompts lenders to take extra steps to verify your identity before issuing credit. Also, be extra vigilant for phishing emails and phone calls. Don't provide personal information to anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. File a report with the FTC at identitytheft.gov. If you suspect identity theft, they offer resources and guidance on recovery. Knowledge is power. Understanding your rights and taking these proactive measures can significantly mitigate the potential impact of a data breach and safeguard your financial well-being. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and protect your future.